Trim off any excess fat from the chicken and fillet the chicken. Cut the chicken into cubes and transfer it into a bowl. If you are using the same cutting board, make sure to wash the cutting board properly with warm soapy water before you cut any other food produce on the cutting board. This is to prevent salmonella infection and other food poisoning. Now go ahead and chop your red pepper, orange pepper, and yellow pepper and transfer them into the bowl. Add about half teaspoon of lemon juice, about 1.5 tablespoon of Greek yogurt, mayonnaise is fine, 1 teaspoon of ground mustard seeds. You add 1 to 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, about 1.5 tablespoon of peanut butter, and about a cup of shredded mozzarella cheese. You add 2 whole eggs and you mix everything together. Cover it up with a cling wrap and refrigerate it for at least 30 minutes. They can be in the refrigerator for the next morning or two, and that adds up to the flavor. Add about 1 tablespoon of olive oil into a hot pan. Using a spoon or an ice cream scoop, scoop out the chicken mixture into the hot pan and begin to fry. Fry for about 2 minutes on each side, pressing them down to make sure it's properly cooked. Repeat the process until you are done frying. Now, garnish your chicken. Look how beautiful it is. It is so tasty, yes. This is very irresistible, and look how little oil we use in frying. It takes just a little bit and you have a very beautiful, delicious and healthy meal for you and your family. I hope you enjoyed this video. Jazakumullahu khairan for watching.